Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. My name is Kelsey if you're new here, and I'm on a weight loss journey, and today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day on the carnivore diet. We started doing the carnivore diet and then things kind of hit the fan, and I know that I say that in like every other video, but like things really hit the fan this time, which I will go into shortly. Momentarily, you will find out what's been going on in my life, but today is not about that. Today is about what I eat in a day. We didn't like fully go off the rails with carnivore, but we did like not do every single meal strictly carnivore, but we're back on it because I just honestly feel the best when I do carnivore, honestly. And I may end up going to like animal-based instead of carnivore at some point, just so I can have a little bit more variety. But for now, carnivore is what's working. Carnivore is what's going on. But if you are new here, or if it's been so long since you've seen me and you've forgotten everything about me, which is possible because I fell off the face of the earth, I'm on a weight loss journey. I'm 25 years old. I work from home. It's Monday. What else do you want to know? What else is going on? Nothing, really. But I'm starting my day with a little cough. Not like a cough, like a coffee. Let me put you here. The lighting is atrocious, but you'll survive. Okay, so my new latte of choice is a salted maple latte. And I have an espresso. So I usually do 2 shots of espresso. And my original recipe before we started doing carnivore was 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 shots of espresso, and then a little bit of milk. But you can't really have like sugar like that on carnivore, or you're not supposed to. So I started doing just straight up espresso with milk. But I like to shake it up every now and then. So I saw a TikTok video and it was a salted maple latte. Let me tell you, if you like maple, if you like fall, if you like things that taste good, you need this. What I did is I couldn't find my tablespoon, so I actually measured this out. It's 20 milliliters, which is like 1.5 tablespoons, roughly, of maple syrup. And then I did Maldon flaky salt and a little bit of cinnamon, and then I brewed my espresso pods over it. That's what this is. I'm gonna, do this little number. And with the strictly carnivore, I'm honestly not even sure if you can have maple syrup. That might be animal based. Let me know in the comments. I'm sure somebody knows, but I don't feel like looking it up. So, and then I'm just taking a little bit of 2% milk, just regular cow's milk. I used to not be able to this, you don't care, but I used to not be able to tolerate dairy, like straight milk like this, but now I can. So milk, and it looks like this. Mine is probably not like a full latte ratio here because I don't like a ton of milk. But this is the perfect color for me. And then I'm gonna fill it with ice, so 1 second. And then there you have it, my kings and queens. My salted maple latte. And you can always add like a little cinnamon on top or a little more flaky sea salt, but it's so good. It just tastes like fall, and it's not too sweet. You could obviously do more maple if that's your preference, or less. Whatever your vibe is, you can do whatever you want. But that's what I did. I think I did a little more maple yesterday, but you can make it saltier, less salty, whatever. So that's what I'm having for breakfast, or pre-breakfast. Me again. It is now 12:30 and I'm finally eating something for breakfast. I'm starving. I had a long meeting, so I wasn't able to eat like at actual breakfast time, but you can probably hear it. The microwave is going, and I'm having 2 pieces of thick cut bacon. And trigger warning for anyone who doesn't do like the calorie thing, that's how I'm keeping track of my intake. So if you don't want to hear calories, hop on out now. But those roughly 120 calories, and then I'm having 3 eggs with a splash of milk, and that's usually around like 222 something. I use my Fitness Pal, I know, triggering, but it's just the one that I'm comfortable with, and it's just easier to use that, in my opinion, for me. So eggs are normally around, like 3 eggs, it's normally like 170 grams, so it's like 250 normally. If I had to put a estimate on it. And then the thick cut bacon, I'm adding it right now to my, oh, there she is, all done. Okay, perfect. Yeah, do you want to see? Do you want to see my eggs? I'm working on cooking my eggs to not be so done because I'm growing up, I'm maturing, I'm becoming an adult. Not done, not done. We're gonna cook those a little longer, and that's what I'm eating. I'll show you when it's done. All right, here it is, my 2 slices of bacon, slightly chewy because duh, and my eggs, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. And this normally really fills me up, and I still have a little bit of this, but I really need to work on my water intake, so I'm gonna try to drink a whole 20 ounces of water as well. It is now 2:20. I'm still not really hungry. I'm still pretty full from my lunch, so I'm just having a Diet Coke, but I'm so tired because my little baby puppy, who's currently biting me to try to sit in my chair, did not sleep. I don't know what's going on, but he didn't sleep, so I'm tired, so I'm having a Diet Coke. That's what I'm saying. Is that on the Carnivore? No, but do I need it? Yes. Okay, back to work now. All right, I'm gonna try to be quiet because my fiance is sleeping. He's taking a nap, but it is now 7:45. You can't see that, but it's 7:45 and we're having dinner. I didn't end up eating lunch today. I just honestly ran out of time, but I did have a snack, and I'll show you that in just a second. But for dinner, 2 eggs, 8 ounces of ground beef, and 2 pieces of bacon. I wanted like a breakfast thing, and since I didn't have lunch, I can have a bigger breakfast, but this is what is for dinner. And actually, let me show you what I had as a snack. It's our snack drawer. Let's see if we have another one. Yes, we do. I had one of these jalapeno beef chomps. They're just like beef jerky type sticks, kind of, but they have really clean ingredients, and he wants it. But this is what I had as my snack. But yeah, I think I'm coming in right around 1,500 calories, which is perfect because that's my goal. But that's all I'm going to eat tonight, because that is a very big dinner. And we're not really doing like dessert. The whole point is to kind of cut most sugar. So I'm not having anything for dessert. And I did finish my water, but I need to have way more. I'm only at like 20 ounces for the day. I need to have like 100. Small steps, you know what I mean? So anyway, with that being said, thank you for following me along today. Or did that make sense? Probably. But this is the end of the day. This is my evening. This is the end. I'm gonna eat this. We're gonna watch Harry Potter, and then we're gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you do wanna see like the recipes with the calorie breakdowns, follow me on TikTok. It's just at Kelsi Airs. My puppy is, you can't see him, but he's like harassing me right now. But follow me, it's at Kelsi Airs on TikTok. And I post my meal, like what I eat in a day's there as well. But that's all I have to say. I hope you guys had a great Monday, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.